Yeah, Saturday, 17th of January, I think. And I thought last night the low was going to get down to 20. I got down to 38. So I misread the forecast. Tonight is supposed to get down to 20. So I cut my broccoli a day early. I think it's okay. And I stayed home today. And the pharmacy is blowing up my phone saying I got prescription ready for pickup, but I didn't feel like showering, dressing, driving. So maybe I'll go tomorrow. My vacuum style oil extraction pump and tank came in yesterday. And I also ordered more of my cigarette tubes to refill my stock. I always keep an inventory in case there's a shipping interruption. So those came in yesterday too. And I'll put them on my tobacco shelf along with my other supplies. And the kitty's laying on my legs. She can feel the weather change. She stays in the house, but she feels the weather change. Lulu the orange is over there taking a bath. And Fluffy was running around a little bit ago. She's behind my chair again taking a nap. And I went outside to feed all the outside cats. I fed them this morning. Had Lulu, Ming Ming, and Orange Man. They came to eat. And during the day, others came to eat. And they ate all the food I put out this morning, which was 7 cans of wet and 4 or 5 cups of dry. And it was all gone by this afternoon. So I put out 4 more cups of dry and 5 cans of wet. And Ming Ming, the mama cat, she's the only one I saw this evening. But the others will come. Lulu's getting a little bit braver. He's out exploring. He's probably in the bushes around the house somewhere. But he'll come back. He always does. And Orange Man, he's my neighbor's cat. They might have let him inside the house because it's going to get so cold tonight. He's a big, big orange cat. He's real sweet. Lets me pet on him and scratch his belly. He's a real sweet cat. And I saw the neighbor at Walmart the other day and asked him, I said, do you have a real big orange cat? He said, yeah, I do. Have you seen him? I said, yeah, he comes to my house all the time to eat. Well, you don't have to feed him. I said, well, I feed a bunch of strays, and he knows where the food is, so he comes over. He's not hurting anything. So I'm happy to feed him. Ain't no big deal to me at all. And I said, but if you're missing him, he's probably at my house. Okay. He likes to keep it outside to eat on the mice. He lives next to a drainage creek, and they get a lot of field mice and field rats, and his house is pier and beam, and they're trying to keep the mice and rats from underneath the house. And as well fed as Orange Man is, I don't think he's doing much hunting. Yeah, me and Kitty here took a nap on the couch today. She was hugged up next to my hip, didn't want to move. And I hear some cats outside, they're meowing, so somebody come up to eat. Yeah, just a lazy Saturday for me. The wife went to some event in a neighboring town involving the church. So that's where she's been all day. She's got a bunch of Filipino friends. And they like to go to stuff like that. They're all older ladies. So anyway, that's what they did. And she asked me what I was going to do, and at that point I hadn't decided. I was tossing and turning a lot in our bed last night and didn't really sleep very well, hence the nap I took today. And one of my internet friends on YouTube gave me a recommendation. He's got a bad back too. he gave me a recommendation for a mattress that says helps him a lot. And it's a real good specific recommendation. So I was able to find it on Amazon. It's where he got his. And ordered it yesterday. It should be here probably by Tuesday next week. I'll sure as the heck give it a try. He had a real high recommendation on it. I'll try it. I'll do a video of it. And I'm glad he sent me that information. It was real nice of him. So, that's all for this one. Thank you.